Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Evolve One. I am Prachi Gar. So, is there any interview scheduled for you or you are looking for any job interview? Maybe this is the reason you are watching my video. So, the most common asked question is tell me about yourself. For that, I've already prepared a video and you can see the link in description box. So you must be thinking how we should prepare for job interviews. So the most common asked second question in interview is why should we hire you? So this is the video in which you will get that why we should hire you, and you'll get some examples and answers and you can prepare yourself for that. So let's get started.
Why should we hire you? This question can come to you in different forms. They could ask you, why do you think you're the best candidate for this job? Why do you think you're a best fit for this job? Or, we have 100 applicants, why do you feel you should be picked? Or maybe they'll ask you, why do you want this job? This is quite a tricky question. It should be short and crisp, and this question will create a great impact when you answer it in a good form. Why this question is asked? Because they want to know how long you will work for this company, what do you know about this company, you're right fit for this job or not. So these are the three main reasons they want to know when they ask this question. Things you should keep in mind while answering this question. First, company gives a good bonus, or I need this job, or I need some money, so that's why you should hire me, or the location that is very close to my place where I live, or my friend works here and he or she says that you get a free coffee or a tea, and which is very good. So by if you answer these things or you say these things, interviewer will think that you are not serious about this job. So just this is a tip that I give you, that please don't answer such things when this question is asked to you. Things that you should keep in mind while you're answering this question. First, you should know about the company. So just prepare about the company, know about the company, read about the company when you are going for the interview. You should know about the product and services that company gives to their customers. You should know about the history of the company and how this company has grown. And you should know that what you like about the company. You can say its reputation or some CSR activities that they do. So whatever you like about the company, you should know and you should tell them. Also, how your skills are fit for this job, so you can connect, you can see the JD, and according to that you can tell that how your skills are good for this job. Now I have told you some do and don'ts that you should keep in mind. Now I'll give you some examples for freshers and lateral hires that you should answer. You should prepare and add or subtract the things, and you can prepare for this question that is asked in your interview. So very first example is for freshers. They must be thinking how we should answer this question. So you can say, this is a wonderful opportunity for me to get interviewed at such a reputed company. Your organization will surely prove to be an excellent platform for me to establish my skills and knowledge in the corporate world. So you can tell about the company, or maybe history of the company, or what you like about the company. Even though I'm a fresher, I assure you that I'll give my best and work to my full potential so that I can contribute as much I can towards the growth and welfare of this great brand. So you can give your skills which can match and how your skills are good so that they can hire you. So another example for freshers, because freshers says that they don't have much to say as they don't have experience. So they can see, I feel that I would be hired by you given my excellent academic background along with the skills and experience the company is looking for. I have the experience and the attitude to excel. If given a chance, I will surely work towards building my expertise, which would prove beneficial for me as well as your organization. So you can say this also when this question is asked. Now, this example is for the experienced people, how they can answer this question. So, I'll give you an example for a web design. I believe that my experience with technology, especially in the web design space, make me the best match for this position. In my previous job, I was responsible for maintaining and updating our company website. So you can tell about the experience that you have and you can specify that when you answer this question. This required keeping employee profiles updated and continuously posting information regarding upcoming events. You can tell about the projects that you have worked on. I truly enjoyed what I was doing, which is what drew me to this position with your company. I would love to bring the coding and content skills I learned there to this position. You can tell about if you're working as a marketing executive, you can tell that yeah, my skills of sales can help in your company and I can be an asset for your company. So like this, you can mold this question and you can answer it.
I hope you find my video useful. If yes, please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.